He's not going to do anything stupid. Obviously, the loss in last year's final has hurt him badly. And he's going to do his best to make amends for that loss.
And what a job it's been. We talked about the production just a short while back. 6 different languages simulcast. It's been incredible. What a show. The amount of coordination is phenomenal. And the show is on the road. Well done, Sonny, and of course the entire team. I can understand the stress levels in the production control room being 6 times as high as it should be. Massive coordination effort, and of course it has paid rich dividend, because I do believe, Rohan, that the ratings are very pleasing. Oh, no wonder they're pleasing.
Was that because you just saw Archana, Charu?
No, you, Mr. G. Good to have all sorts of guests in the studio. Oh, straight at the bowler. Will be lucky if he has an ankle left. Stuck his right foot out. Was it the umpire? Well, at any rate, somebody got hurt there.
No, I think it was the bowler.
Just trying to hit it too hard through Van Karthik. Been guilty of that all the way through. Really caught a couple really well, but many have not been hit as well as they could have. A nice forward defensive for a change by Dhruv. And again, that's pretty sensible. Those two were good deliveries, found good line and length, did Karthik.
Well, it's been a good over so far. It still is a good over, but it's a little disappointing. The extras that the Chennai Rhinos have conceded, and that has been played away by Dhruv. Super shot, super placement, and that's raced away for 4. 7 of the over already. That's all they've been doing, getting 8 runs and over without any effort. Nelson for 3. Steps out, top shot. That's another boundary to end the over. They've moved on to 115. And you can see the different emotions in the 2 different camps. At the end of the 14th over, it's 115 for 3.